much behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow. There's a website where just real webs are used. We spend days the way ducks autumn, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land, both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with the gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, as Thanksgiving gives him cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a glorious vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the sparm. She goes overheated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our junkyard of free rangers, it's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Here our waterfowl have waddled, little chicks are mollycoddled, and the cat would like to do them grievous harm. She's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I just can't get enough. As a fellow who is feline, you will see me make a beeline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff. Bakadakada, bakadakada. Bakadakada, bakadakada. In our waterfowl regatta, there's a more than funny chapter, and a Mandarin with oriental charm. You'll find every curse or gander, of course I'm rather grandeur. It's a poultry tale, folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our junkyard of free rangers, it's a poultry tale. It's a poultry tale. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Pack it up! Hello, Ducky. I see the macrame class has paid off.
You again? How did you find me?
Oh, a little bird told me.
Well, you're too late. The people are gonna eat me.
Tisk, such a waste.
Even if you tried to help me escape, you'd only eat me yourself.
Very true.
Well, you're not gonna get me. Oh no, he's coming back.
Okay, listen, Ducky. I have what I think you will agree is a very tempting proposition. that might just satisfy the both of us.
Well, I don't like oranges if that's part of the plan.
Look, if you come with me, I'll bring you back to the farm and let you see your mother for one last time.
Either way I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind.
All right, you're on.
Okay, now just don't try any funny business, because at least this way you get to see your mother for one last time. Hurry up before he comes back.
Well, curdle the cream of my cornflakes. He's escaped.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Honk! Honk! If they knew just how dearly I would love to honk! But it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the neck. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? Different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. It's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I'm hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello there, Ducky.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they are too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said poultry can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that bread.
It's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
À l'orange. Did you mean to say that they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb.
That settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
You really mean that? You really are a friend.
Of course I am. Now just follow me.
I'd better tell my mother.
Oh no, you mustn't.
I really think I should.
Listen, we aren't going to be gone for very long, and what harm can it do? You are hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us.
Well, if you're sure.
I'm quite sure.
Side I'm worried about. How she laid the egg, I'll never.
Welcome to my very own kitty cat snack shack. Fast food for casserole of duck, duck with cherries, duck. Here we are, duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She said to beware of the cat.
Oh, bless her. All mothers, they're all the same. They think it's part of their job description to keep us from having fun. Oh no, not my mother though. Oh, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up the claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. Play with your food, you can't beat it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you fight it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything, and I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle the puddles, dabble the mud, take a circle back in the shallows. And maybe if there's time, go sliding the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and fancy, and preferably with something in the kitty. You wanna play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. Play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your duck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
This is so much fun.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from the outside.
Oh, that. It's just those wretched people from the farm playing ball.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news is what people are. Okay, consider yourself lucky, Ducky, that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter one. Duck. Yes, correct. It's a duck. Duck. Yes, I know it's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck. Goose, struck out by a foul ball. You broke the window.
The ball's gone inside.
Oh no, they're coming in. That's a great idea. You hide there until the heat is off. I'll try and find my own way back to the duck yard. Perhaps we can have lunch another time? Bye! Oh no.
there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop. Now, in a moment, you will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you will notice that she has a red band of cloth around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by both men and animals. Now don't turn your toes, just bow your head and say, quack. 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 Quack.
Honk! Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're too late. This stockyard would be so boring if we all looked the same.
Look at him, and be thankful that he's not your kid. But we got him as a brother. Look at him, about to go the way the dodo did. And he's worse than any other. Fireworks designed to show prospects pretty dim. For a solo flock. Look at him, look at me, look at you. You'll agree, anywhere you look will be less grim than bliss of this whip of whiz. Look at
It's not when we have chosen.
Are you sure you know your way back to the duckyard? We seem to be going round in circles.
Shut up, it's the snow. It makes everything look the same.
The skies are gray and menacing. A blizzard would seem certain, and even kind penguins and slugs would not draw back his curtain.
I can't see beyond the end of my beak.
Keep going, we can't ignore now. Honey, are you out there? Is anybody out there?
the sun is low. It's hard to catch our breath. And though we hate to say the word, the face is certain. Face is certain. Face is certain. The snowing drifts, too beautiful for words. They may look good for Christmas cards, but not for cats and birds.
Honey? Oh no, my baby. No, not like this, not after all this time. You poor little thing. What was it all for? What was the point of your poor little life? It can't end like this, it can't.
Nor will it, my dear.
He's dead. My baby duckling is dead, and it's my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring, and I should have gone after him right away, but I had his brothers and sisters to rear, and I couldn't leave them. And now I'm too late.
Cry, must, for what do we have if we don't have hope?
I'm not a duck. I'm not a duck. I'm a swan. Honk! Mama. Just knowing you were out there helped me to get by. And now we're reunited. I can hold my head.
Hello, Swanee? Swanee. Swanee, how I love ya, how I love ya! Oh. Hi. You know what? I give up, I surrender. I've been working way too hard for this. Take me to the Betty Fur Clinic.
Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird?
Honk!
Honk at him, 'cause his honking is the best we've heard. We are feeling rather small in this whole shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all, and we hope with enough self-soap lead our gang.
Of course I forgive you. I'm just happy to see you all again. And to introduce you to someone. This is Penny.
Hello.
Hello, Penny.
Welcome home, dear. I've been thinking. I'm getting very long in the bill, and I feel the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear. You are indeed the finest bird on the lake, as I know I was in my day. And from this day forth, the red band shall be known as the Signet Ring.
Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Why did we ever think him a dud?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.
Oh, yes, 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 yes!
What?
I made it past Thanksgiving!
Look at him,
Splendor of a noble
we
swan.
got him as a brother. Look at him,
From a duckling to a paragon.
from him for another.
Shore back on the lake.
Is he only? No examples there to take. Just believe in yourself. Don't be left on the shelf. Feeling that all hope is dead and gone. And you may find in your own way. You're a swan.
be roosting. Soon I'll be roosting with all mates.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball.
We all